Today, we're going to share some insider knowledge about transmission shafts. So what exactly is a transmission shaft?
The transmission shaft is a core component of a truck's chassis. When hitting bumpy roads, the angle and distance between the transmission and the axle keep changing. Our shaft handles these constant shifts seamlessly, delivering steady torque without dropping power.
Mr. Wong, could you walk us through the specific components of a transmission shaft?
No problem. It consists of these key parts: flange, universal joint, U-joint sleeve, shaft tube, slip sleeve, and spline shaft. The spline shaft and slip sleeve work just like our arms, capable of extending and retracting, while the universal joint acts like our joints, allowing for changes in angles. This entire system transmits power while automatically adapting to the movement of the vehicle body.
Let's first look at the universal joint section. The cross shaft of our U-joints is entirely manufactured from premium 20CR MNTI-H alloy steel, with carburizing and high-frequency quenching treatment reaching a surface hardness of 58 to 62 HRC. This not only ensures excellent wear resistance on the surface, but also retains sufficient toughness in the core. It delivers superior impact and fracture resistance, easily handling the instantaneous impact caused by heavy load starting and driving on harsh, bumpy roads. The bearing adopts a double-row needle roller structure. Compared to single-row needle rollers, it prevents the jamming and snapping issues easily caused by longer needles, which would otherwise result in universal joint failure. The internal needle rollers are made of GCR15 bearing steel with a hardness of up to 61 to 65 HRC. Its contact fatigue strength is twice that of ordinary carbon steel, maintaining stable performance even under high-intensity, long-term continuous operation. Meanwhile, the bearing cap is equipped with a combined triple seal oil seal structure, which effectively blocks the intrusion of muddy water, sand, gravel, and dust, while minimizing grease loss. Now let's move on to the transmission shaft body.
Our transmission shaft tube is made of 700 QZ high-strength steel. The flange, U-joint sleeve, and spline shaft are all manufactured from 40 CR steel. The spline shaft is integrally forged. After quenching and tempering combined with medium-frequency quenching, the spline surface hardness reaches 50 to 58 HRC. The slip sleeve adopts a nylon coating process, making their pairing much more wear-resistant. The internal and external splines undergo precision machining, with the fitting tolerance strictly controlled within 14 microns. It guarantees smooth operation, stable telescoping, zero vibration, and no abnormal noise. In terms of assembly precision, we also meet the ultimate standards. The universal joint and the transmission shaft sleeve ear holes achieve a precise fit. The cylindricity error of the universal joint bearing cap is controlled within 6 microns. The interference fit is stably controlled between 0 and 49 microns, fully complying with the assembly design requirements for heavy-duty universal joints.
Next is what everyone cares about the most: product lifespan and test data. The bench test lifespan of our transmission shafts can reach 3 to 4.5 million cycles, far exceeding the industry standard of 1.5 million cycles.
For conventional transmission shafts, under the test standard of 2200 RPM, the residual unbalance at each end is less than or equal to 120 grams per centimeter. However, our products go through 2 balancing corrections with a German Schenck dynamic balancing machine at 2500 RPM per minute or even higher speeds. The residual unbalance at each end is less than or equal to 30 grams per centimeter after initial balancing, and is less than or equal to 45 grams per centimeter after secondary balancing, with dynamic balancing accuracy far exceeding the industry standard.
Whether it's material selection, manufacturing process, or precision control, here at Createk, we are committed to delivering top-quality products to meet and even exceed our customers' expectations. For more product details and technical parameters, welcome to visit our official website,